Seal has invested in a new Waterjet machine that is capable of cutting a variety of materials with greater accuracy than ever before. Our new Flow Waterjet 500 uses some of the most technologically advanced software in the waterjet cutting industry. The software can keep a tolerance of plus or minus 1 thou and a half. This is well beyond your average waterjet cutting services. We can help you save time with your finishing process because our waterjet can cut with a minimal burr-free edge. As a cold cutting technology, waterjet has advantages over traditional cutting methods because they generate heat, which in turn can affect the end result. The head of our waterjet will automatically adjust to minimize stream taper. This gives you an extremely accurate cut every time. So whether you need to cut a piece of steel for the transportation market, rubber for rail products, or even stone for your landscape project, we have the capabilities to get your job done. Call us at 1-800-348-7325 to schedule your project today.